Did you know Shake Library has a historical collection for Vincennes University called Lewis Library? It is currently being digitized and is available online. You can check out our collection by visiting our website. You can get to our website by either typing in the address vinu.libguides.com/shakelibrary or by clicking the link on the library's card in VUX. Once you are on the Shake Library website, click on the Lewis Historical Library tab at the top of the page. You can learn more about our historical library, or you can click on the Vincennes University Archives online link. You will see what collections we have available in our digital archives. You can either click on the specific collection you want to browse, or you can view all of them by clicking on the Vincennes University Archives link. Here you will be able to browse all of our items. Or you can also click Browse Collections. You can see what collections we have available online, including our yearbooks, commencements which are currently in process of being updated, and our Vincennes University catalogs, which are also still in process. You can search our collection by using the search box at the top of the page. For example, say you want to see what archives we have on our homecoming. You can type in homecoming, and you'll be able to see what pages we have available. You can see our homecoming pictures from the 1973 yearbook. You can always go back by clicking either Browse Items or Browse Collections. Let's take a look at our Vincennes University yearbooks. You can see what yearbooks we have available to browse online, and you can click on one of the titles to view the yearbook. You'll see all the pages available on the side of the page, and you can click on each page to take a closer look. If you want an even closer look at the page, click on the picture. If you need an even closer look, click on the picture again, and use the scroll bar to see the rest of the page. To go back, simply click your back button in your browser. You can either get back to the rest of the yearbook you are looking at by clicking the back button or by clicking the yearbook's name. Our archives are currently in process of being digitized, so check back monthly to see what we've added to our online collection. If you have questions about our Lewis Historical Collection or about the services Shake Library has to offer, call us at 812-888-4165 or email us at libref@vinu.edu. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Shake Library.